So, welcome to this TAKSTAR. So, it comes in an ordinary box that is actually having its logo in front of it. TAKSTAR SGC598 recording microphone with some Chinese characters, and I believe this is actually made in China. So let's see what's inside. First thing you will see is this black pouch with a really nice texture. Madaling kapitan ng likabok with the TAKSTAR logo outside. Yeah, and this pouch actually I think is very much helpful if you're going to, bring your camera somewhere, taking, of course when you're traveling you want them off your camera. You wanna be detaching them, so you would want to put them inside this one for packaging. And you've got some papers here, some instructional papers and product qualified certificate. And here we go. Here's the TAKSTAR microphone, and I've got small plastic here with some rubbers. I think this is used for the shock mount. Yeah. And here it is. Let's take this one away. So it has this foam wind cover that actually fits very snug. So let me take them off for now. And you've got this, starting at the bottom, you've got this 3.5mm TRS jack or connector that sends stereo signal with coil design right here. So I don't know how long it can get, but it's a good one. I think it's long enough. And yeah, you've got this metal cold shield down here. This is a metal one. Okay. Metal cold shield, but this knob is actually plastic. Okay, and the camera body is actually mounted on a plastic camera mount as well, with this, where is it, this rubber holders down here and on the front as well. So it actually helps you, minimize the noise because of these rubber pieces. It's actually suspended. Okay, so it helps you minimize the noise when you're moving, and the camera noise as well, when your lens are actually zooming in and zooming out. It's quite noisy, especially for the cheap camera like what I'm using. So it has this metal barrel microphone, or the tube. Actually, it's actually like 5 inches long, which actually is very helpful for you to, gain or receive the audio from your reference or from your target. And it helps the mic get a little bit more directional. So this is the tip. Okay, show me the tip. Come on, cooperate. Yeah, right there. And it has these cutouts on the side. So yeah, I think it's a good part. I mean, good quality, and it is metal. It is metal with metal screen inside as well, and it's attached to this body that is actually plastic, and it feels cheap. So let's put, the good thing about this is it only requires one AA battery, which is I think quite easy to find, so let's try to insert one. Oh, it's written here that it's made in China. Come on, I can do this. There you go. So, what you can see here, okay, is the switch, on and on switch right here. Let's turn it on, which turn this indicator, the light indicator, green. That means you have enough battery and it's on, it's turned on. And then it turns red when the battery is low, which I think is a really good feature for a cheap item like this. I mean, if you're buying an item worth 20 pounds only, and then you have this indicator which actually tells you that the battery is low by turning red. So good. One thumb up. Let me give a thumbs up for that. So there you go. Next to that is this 10 dB or 10 decibels switch. This is actually the 10 decibels gain switch, which increases the output level and helps with amplification. Okay, you can turn that one on. Next to that is the low cut switch, which is actually 20 or 200 Hertz bass attenuation switch, which helps minimize the background noise or even the wind noise, I think. So yeah, it's a good feature. And what we're going to do now, we will now try to test the quality of this microphone. So let me put this one on now. Let's go! This is a TAKSTAR SGC598 shotgun microphone unboxing and audio testing video. This is a TAKSTAR SGC598 shotgun microphone unboxing and audio testing video. This is a TAKSTAR SGC598 shotgun microphone unboxing and audio testing video. This is a TAKSTAR SGC598 shotgun microphone unboxing and audio testing video.
So, for the final verdict, I would definitely recommend the shotgun microphone not only to the newbies but also for long-time vloggers or content creators who want a cheap alternatives to costly shotgun microphones in the market without compromising the audio input quality. In fact, I'm currently using this microphone for this voiceover. Just check the links down below to direct you to the online store where I bought it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you find this helpful, feel free to share it. And if you love it, please subscribe to my channel for more helpful contents every week. Cheers, mate. Bye.